What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day out here on Table Rock Lake, and I just wanted to go over a quick day trip packing list for kayaking. So this is my setup for any day trips that are a couple hours up to 8 hours at the most. Of course, first things first is your life jacket. It's state law, you got to have that on your boat at all times. And of course, paddle. You're not going anywhere without that. And for my storage bin, I just picked up an old milk crate. I sanded it and spray painted it, and it's made a really good bin just for all my daily goodies. In the back here, I have a small Yeti dry bag in which I keep my phone and keys in, most importantly. If there's anything you don't want to lose on the lake or river, it's your phone or keys. So you always want a secure, dry location for these items here. I also have a small little phone dry bag specifically for my phone. The other items I keep in this little bag here in the back, my small dry bag, is a headlamp, a glow stick, and a multi-tool. These are just emergency items because you never know. I've had to repair my boat. I've stayed out late and needed a headlamp, so plus boats can't see you when it starts getting dark, or if you're out before sunrise, you need to alert those boats because they cannot see kayakers if you're on the lake. Of course, you always need to bring water, at least 1.5 liters. I'd recommend 3 liters if you're going to be out for more than 6 hours. Obviously, you want to bring some snacks. I keep some snacks in that dry bag. I also bring a little snack bag sometimes. Today I didn't because I'm only out for a couple hours. Of course, your tackle boxes, they fit perfectly in this little bin here. Some spare rope. Sometimes on the river you have to drag your boat. That makes it easy. Sometimes you can anchor off to trees if you're wanting to stay in some one spot or whatever. Of course, you're going to want your fishing poles. Sometimes I've got 2 or 3 of them, depending on how I'm feeling. It's also a good idea to bring items like sunscreen and bug spray to protect yourself from the elements. It really just depends on what time of the year and what time of the day you're going. But this is pretty much my minimalist setup. Obviously, you can modify it however you'd like, but I just wanted to share a quick video about it real quick. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.